Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to create Airtable record on Instamojo sale. So for my business, I'm using Instamojo for selling my products, and now what I want is that whenever I'm going to receive a new sale for my product through Instamojo, then automatically I want to create a new record in Airtable by adding the detail of my customer and my sale. So here I want to do this automatically, and for that I need to simply build a connection between Instamojo and Airtable. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new sale through Instamojo, then automatically by using the detail of that sale, I will create a new record in Airtable. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can create Airtable record on Instamojo sale. So in my business, I can create a new record in Airtable every time a sale is made on Instamojo. So this integration will help me to track and organize my sales data efficiently, and whether it's my customer information, order details or payment status. So with Airtable, I can create a customized workflow to manage inventory, track sales performance and ensure smooth operations, and it will be making it easier to analyze data and make informed business decisions. So here what I want to do is, I want to connect Instamojo with Airtable in such a way that whenever I'm going to receive a new sale of my product through Instamojo, then automatically I want to add the data of that sale or my customer in my Airtable record. So here I want to create new records in Airtable with every new sale that I'm going to receive through Instamojo, and I want to do this automatically by setting up this automation and this connection between Instamojo and Airtable. So here for setting up this automation and this connection, I need to use Pabbly Connect, and with Pabbly Connect, I can build this connection without any coding and programming skills. So here for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab, and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of your time, and you will get 100 free tasks every month. Or if you already have an account or you are an existing user, then you can just click on sign in, and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click on this create workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to create Airtable record on Instamojo sale. Now I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow, so I'm going to open this tab, and here in this tab I'm going to find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account. And I'm going to use this particular folder of automation, so I'm going to select that, and now I need to click on create, and this will take us to this most important window of our workflow, and here in this window I have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on, and trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So here in my workflow, I can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So here for setting up my trigger, I need to search for my trigger application, and here my trigger application is going to be Instamojo. So I'm going to search for that, and I'm going to select Instamojo version 2 here. Now I'm going to give my trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab. And new sale is going to be my trigger event, so I'm going to select that. And now I need to connect Instamojo with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, and for that I need to use this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between Instamojo and Pabbly Connect, and for connecting these two applications I need to follow all these instructions. So first I need to copy this webhook URL from here, and now with the help of this webhook URL, I'm going to receive the detail of all my sales that I'm going to get through Instamojo here in Pabbly Connect. Now for connecting my Instamojo account with Pabbly Connect, I'm going to take it to Instamojo, and here in Instamojo I need to go to products. I'm going to open all products, and here I have all these products in my Instamojo store, and now here I can get the detail of the new sales of my any product. So here I'm going to use this product of PHP for programming, and here I need to open this product. Now here I need to connect my product with Pabbly Connect so that I can get the detail of the new sales for my product in Pabbly Connect. So for that I need to go to advanced, and here in advanced setting I have to scroll down, and in this I have this particular tab of webhook URL. So here I need to add the webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste my webhook URL here, and this is the webhook URL of Pabbly Connect. And now with the help of this webhook URL, I'm going to receive the detail of the new sales for this particular product in Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to click on save. And here I've successfully updated my product. Now what I need to do is I need to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see it is waiting for webhook response. Now for getting this webhook response, I need to create a new sale. And as I will create a new sale or a new order for my product, then automatically I'm going to receive that response with the customer detail and my sale detail in Pabbly Connect. So here for getting this webhook response, I'm going to create a test submission, or I'm going to create a test record. And for that, I'm going to create a new sale. So I'm going to take you back to Instamojo. And here this is my product. I'm going to again open my product, and I'm going to click on this view on store button. And here this is my product. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy this product and I'm going to make the payment. So I'm going to click on this buy now button. And now I have to fill all these details. So here I'm going to fill the detail of my customer, and here the first name is going to be demo. Last name is going to be user. Email will be demouser@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to give a random phone number of my customer. And now as I have filled all the required details, I'm going to click on review and pay. And now I'm going to make the payment. So I'm going to click on this make payment button. Now here I have to first select my payment method. So I'm going to use credit/debit cards. And now I have to fill the card details. So I'm going to add my card details here. Now here I have filled all these details. Now I'm going to make the payment. And here we can see I have successfully created this new payment, and I have created this new sale by using Instamojo. Now that as I've created a new sale, I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So this is the response of my new sale that I've just created in Instamojo, and I have received all these details of my sale. So here I have my sales status, that is credit. So this means that I have received the payment. I have my payment request ID, also I have the payment ID. I have my currency, that is Indian rupees. I have my buyer phone number. So this is my customer random phone number. I have the buyer name or my customer name, that is demo user. Also I have my buyer email, that is demouser@pabblytudes.com, and I have the amount of my payment, that is 9 rupees. Now that we can see I have received all these details of my sale, and now what I want to do is, as I have received a new sale from my Instamojo account, I want to automatically use the detail of that sale and my customer detail, and I want to add a new record in my Airtable account. So here I want to create a new record in Airtable for my new sale through Instamojo, and I want to do this automatically. So I need to set up my actions tab, and here I need to search for my action application, that is going to be Airtable. So I'm going to search for that, and I'm going to select Airtable here. Now I'm going to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and create record is going to be my action event. So I'm going to select that. And now I need to connect Airtable with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I'm going to click on add new connection. And now I have to click on connect with Airtable. Now I'm going to scroll down, and here I need to first add a base. So I'm going to click on this add a base button. And here I need to search for my base that I want to connect with Pabbly Connect from Airtable, and in which I want to add my record. So I'm going to search for my base here. And here this is my base that I want to use. So I'm going to select that. And now that as I've selected my base, I'm going to click on grant access. And here I've successfully connected Airtable with Pabbly Connect. Now here we can see I have all these tabs, and here I have this particular tab of base name, and in this I only have one base that I have selected while creating this connection between Airtable and Pabbly Connect. So here I have this base name, and I'm going to select that, and in my base I only have one table, that is table 1, so it is already selected. Now I have all these columns in my Airtable account, and now first I'm going to take you to my Airtable account. So here in Airtable, we can see I have all these columns, and in this I have to add the detail of my new sale or the detail of my customer. So here in these columns, I have to add the detail of my new sale that I've just made through Instamojo. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect, And now here we can see that these are the tabs that I had as a column in my Airtable record. So here I have to fill all the detail of my new sale, and for that I'm going to use my response of Instamojo, and from that response I'm going to get the required detail that I need, and I'm going to map those details here in these tabs. So for that I need to use mapping, and what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous step, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping I need to click here, I'm going to open this response of Instamojo, and here I need to first map the name of my customer. So this is my customer name, so I'm going to map that. Now I'm going to map the email address, and here this is the email address of my customer, so I'm going to map that. Similarly, I'm going to map the phone number, so I have to click here. I'm going to open this response of Instamojo, and here this is the customer phone number or my buyer phone number, so I'm going to map that. And now I'm going to give the payment ID. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to open this response of Instamojo, and here this is the payment ID, so I'm going to map that. Now that I have filled all the required details and I have mapped all the detail of my Instamojo sale that I want to add in my Airtable record, and as I have mapped these details, I have made all these details dynamic. Now what is going to happen is that every time I'm going to receive a new sale of my product through Instamojo, then automatically all these details that I have mapped here will get replaced with the new sale detail in the real time. And with every new sale that I'm going to receive through Instamojo, I will create new record in Airtable. Now that I have filled all the required details, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on Save and Send Test to Quit button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have created a new record in my Airtable account with all the detail of my sale that I've received through Instamojo. So to check whether I've added a new record in Airtable or not, let me take you to Airtable. And here this is my Airtable, and in this we can see I've added this new record of my new sale. So here I have my customer name, that is demo user. I have the email, that is demouser@pabblyconnect.com. I have the random phone number, and I have the payment ID. So here we can see that these are all the detail of my sale that I've just made through Instamojo, and automatically as I've created that sale, I have added a new record, or I've created a new record in Airtable with that sales detail. So here I've done this automatically by setting up this automation and this connection between Instamojo and Airtable. And now what is going to happen is that every time I'm going to receive a new sale through Instamojo, then automatically by using the detail of that sale, I will add a new record, or I will create a new record in Airtable. Now in Airtable, I'm going to add the detail of my new sales and my customer detail, and I can manage all my inventory, stocks, and even my payments. So here I have created this automation and I have organized all my sales detail. And here I have done this automatically by setting up this connection between Instamojo and Airtable with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new sale through Instamojo, then automatically by using the detail of that sale, it will create a new record in Airtable. So like this, I can automatically create Airtable record on Instamojo sales. Now let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here with Pabbly Connect, I have connected Instamojo with Airtable to create Airtable record on Instamojo sale. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Instamojo, and my trigger event was new sale. Then I have set up my actions tab, and my action application was Airtable, and my action event was create record. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I am also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there, and thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this with Pabbly Connect. If you want to reach out to us, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any issues or queries related to our workflow, then you can check the forum link. And if you have any issues related to the pricing of Pabbly Connect or Pabbly, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.